Hey YouTube, Flash on 3. Got a blaster box of 2017 Prizm football to break. Last one they had at Target, so I like Prizm this year, so hopefully get something good. So yeah, you get like a jersey or an auto, and 3 discos per blasters. There's 2. That looks like the jersey, so I'll save that. And then, so you get 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. So see what I can get. Alright, looks like we got a silver Allen Robinson, Travis Kelce, base of Cody Kessler, and a Tariq Cohen rookie. It's not that bad. So got that. Alright, we got our first disco, Vic Beasley, Le'Veon Bell. It's a Charger, Phillip Rivers, not too bad. And Terrence Williams. Alright, we got Eric Decker, T.Y. Hilton, Chris Godwin, Ricky, T.J. Yeldon. So half the box left. Alright, so we got a Hall of Fame Joe Namath. That's pretty nice. And our disco, it's a Packer, Jamal Williams. It's not bad. Calvin Benjamin. Alright, 2 more packs. Got a nice Eli base for the PC. Pierre Garçon. Disco of Michael Crabtree and Tyrann Mathieu. Last pack, this should be the hit. We got Drew Brees, a rookie of Njoku, Jesse James, and it looks like it's red, C.J. Beathard. So he had a few good games, but not going to be the starter anymore. So not a bad break. Wasn't the best. I think I did one of these before and it was a lot better, but can't complain. Got some nice rookies. Fun break. So thanks for watching and see ya.